try to solve the Leetcode problem 785 is graph bipartite. So this means the bipartite means we can put a graph into two sets. Yeah, so let me make a drawing of what does it mean for this kind of a question. Yeah, so I'm gonna prepare those two graphs and try to explain what what method I'm gonna use to solve such kind of problem. So for this problem, we have like 4 nodes. So from node 0, 1, yeah, let's make it like this: 0, 1, 2, and 3. So it is connected. But we want to check if this graph is a bipartite or not. Yeah, it means if it is it can be of two parts or not. Yeah, so normally we're gonna use the color method to solve such problem. If we can, yeah, we can prepare two colors for the graph for this part, for this one connected component. Yeah, it means it is a bipartite. If we cannot, it is not. For example, we're gonna color this one to red. Yeah, so this node is red. This is yeah, let me make it better. Yeah, so for this node, if I can color it red, so it is red. But the neighboring node, for example, this 1 and 3, it cannot be red. It must be blue. Yeah, because this is the meaning of the bipartite. If this is red, the connected node can never be red. It must be another color. It must be blue. And for this one, this node 2 must be red, because 2 is connected to 3. It must be a different color. But this 2 cannot be black. Otherwise, it has 3 colors. But we need to make just 2 colors. But we can still make it red. Yeah, for example, this is also red. So it means it is bipartite. So 0 and 2 is a group. 1 and 3, which the color is blue, is another group. So it means this is a bipartite. Yeah, it is so difficult to spell. And yeah, so for example, there's another case. Yeah, let's try to check another case. So for example, 0 and 2 is connected. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna still do the coloring process. So we're gonna color this 0 to red. What about 1 and 3? 1 and 3 must be a different color, right? It must be blue. So this is blue, this is also blue. And 0 and 2 is also connected. So 2 must be a different color, right? Yeah. But let's check the node 2. So for this node 2, if the 2 is just blue, so what about 3? So for this 3, it must be a different color because 2 and 3 are connected. So if this 3 is just red, yeah, but there is a conflict with 0 and 3, it cannot be the same color. So what does this mean? So this means it is not possible, so it's gonna be a false. Yeah. Now I'm gonna use the unified to solve such problem. So the unified is really easy to solve the bipartite problem. Basically, it is a connected component problem. Yeah. So for example, for this 0 and 1, yeah, so for this 0 and 1, this 0 and 1 can never be connected because they are the different color. Yeah, but for this 1 and yeah, let me just go back to the simple case. Yeah, so for example, for this 0 and 2, it is the same color. So in the unified, 0 and 2 will be connected. And for 1 and 3, it is the color of blue. So 1 and 3 will also be connected. So 1 and 3 will be in one group, and 0 and 2 will be in another group. So this is the unified. So if we find another case, for example, 0 and 2, we are going to check 0 and 2. Yeah, so this is without 0 and 2. There are two groups. So if there is a case of 0 and 2, it means while we are preparing the graph, so for 0, it will be, yeah, let me just use the example from the question. Yeah, yeah, so this is a false, and this is true. Yeah, let me go to the whiteboard. Yeah, so if this 0 and 2 is also connected, so what is it gonna be? It means yeah, everything would be, it is not possible. It must be at least 3 colors. Yeah, but we need to prepare only 2 colors, so this is not possible. Yeah, let me actually go to the code to explain it. Maybe it's really easy to understand. Yeah, so I'm going to use the template from the unified template. So for the unified, let me copy the unified template. So I will not explain it because every template would be the same, and this is nearly the simplest template. You don't need it to be so complicated. Basically, you just need to have a union and connected to check if two nodes are connected. And the union is just let two nodes connected. Yeah, connected the two nodes. The connected is just to check if those two nodes are connected or not. Now I'm going to use the unified method to solve it. Yeah, so the UF would be the unified. And inside, I'm gonna prepare how many nodes. So it is the length of the graph. Now I can use for X nodes enumerate the graph. Yeah, so this just means according to the description. So this means that this X is index 0. This means not 0. And this node is just the array 1, 2, and 3. But this 1, 2, and 3 must be connected. Otherwise, it cannot be two parts. It cannot be bipartite. So in order to keep it bipartite, 1, 2, 3 must be connected. So what we need to do, we just need to connect the nodes inside the array. So inside this node. So for y in nodes, we need to connect. Yeah, we need to connect it. So we need to union this node 0 for the first node with all other node. It is y. So this y for that first node, it is also included. I mean, this node is 0, but it doesn't matter. So what's the meaning is we just want to connect 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, because we are giving like that. So this 0 is one group. So 1, 2, 3 is another group. We need to connect 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Now we need to check if this connected. Yeah, if X and Y are connected, we're gonna return a false. So this means 1, 2, and 3 would be connected. If 0 connected with 1, 2, or 3, it means it is not possible. Yeah, we're gonna return a false. Otherwise, it is a two group. Yeah, because 0, 1, 0 is just one group. 1, 2, 3 are another group. So this 0 cannot not be grouped into 1, 2, and 3. So it cannot be connected. So if it is connected, it means we find a conflict. We're gonna return a false. If everything is okay, we just gonna return true. So the time complexity is O E plus V. E is the number of edges, V is the number of vertices. Yeah, now let me run it. Yeah, something wrong. Connected. I didn't. Yeah, it should be unified dot connected. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Now let me submit it. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Yeah, so basically, it is just a unified template. We prepared the unified template. Yeah, even we didn't use find, but it doesn't matter because we used the connected and the union. We just want to check. So inside the array, it should be always be connected. If there's a conflict, we need to check this x and y to check the conflict. Because for this not 0 with 1, 2, 3, it can never be connected because they are two group. Yeah. So at the moment, let's check this example. 0, 1, 2, 3, they are not connected, it is okay. But what about the next one? This index is 1. 1 can never be connected with 0. Yeah, it is still okay. 1 can never be connected with 2 for the second case. Yeah, because the index is 1, the node is 1. 1 can never be connected with 2. But in the first example here, 1 and 2 are already connected. It means up to here, there's a conflict. So we're going to return a false. Yeah, but while checking this example, it can never have a false. So this means why it is true. Because 0 can never be connected with 1 and 3. Yeah, it is okay. So for 1 can never be connected with 0 and 2. It is still okay. So 2 can never be connected with 1 and 3 because 1 and 3 are a group. 0 and 2 are another group. It means everything is okay. You can see inside 1 and 3 group, 0 and 2 another group, 1 and 3 a group, 0 and 2 another group. It means it is totally okay. Thank you for watching. See you next time.